Hey guys, what up? It's Jeff from Urban Condo Spaces. Okay, quick update on the Seattle Condo Market, downtown Condo Market. Today we had 198 units for sale. Why is that important? Well, the last time we had 198 active condos for sale was May of 2021. So what does that tell us? Basically, stock market's getting hammered, interest rates are starting to rise, they're gonna be rising much more quickly. So inventory is building. What happens when inventory builds? Well, sellers have a harder time selling their units. It takes typically it would take a longer period of time to get that unit sold, and buyers have more opportunity to step in and make a deal. In a nutshell, the Fed is going to have to continue to raise rates. They just need to make it much more expensive to borrow, okay? Increase the cost of capital. What is that going to do to our Seattle condo market or the Bellevue market? Inventory is going to build, okay? And when you have a economic cycle like the one that we're in that likely has already had us in a recession, there's less demand. So the Fed policy to kind of crush demand is working. You know, the two most important targets that they have right now is curbing housing inflation. So that's price inflation in condo and home purchasing, and it's also rent. Okay, the price per foot to rent, how expensive it's getting to rent. They need to curb that, okay, for a healthy economy and to reduce inflation. And they also need to curb energy, okay? Oil is broke, I think, 120 on Friday. I don't know where it is today, 120 a barrel. Gasoline prices are up, and when gas goes up, consumer confidence starts to wane, and we're seeing that. We just had one of the worst consumer confidence numbers in recent decades. Long story short, if you're a condo buyer in the Seattle market, time to start shopping. Roll up your sleeves, get busy, work with somebody like myself that can help you understand true value, where to negotiate, how to negotiate. If you're a seller, buckle up, okay? You need to be picture perfect on your price. You need to be absolutely confident that you're going out at the right number, and then you still might not sell, really. You have to have somebody dedicated and committed to helping you get in front of those prospective buyers that are still in the market, and demand has been destroyed. So there's less buyers for the number of condos that there is available for sale. Today I pulled up stats. There were 33 new units over a 7-day period, so week over week. But there were only 16 units that went under contract. So we nearly doubled, a little more so, the number of units for sale versus the ones that are going under contract. So that's going to continue to be the storyline in the downtown Seattle condo market. Hope you guys enjoyed the update. Obviously, you can go to my Instagram handle at urbancondospaces.com to see the recent stats. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. See ya.